welcome to today's episode and our 15-minute meals. The key to this salad is a good salad dressing. VLADA'S carries this Greek salad dressing, but I'm also going to show you how to make your homemade Greek salad dressing. The key is to have a lot of fresh herbs in it, so when you have the bite of the salad, it all comes together and you can taste the fresh herbs and good cheese in your salad. So for the good cheese, you need to pick a really mild feta, and this is an excellent feta. We picked it up at the VLADA'S earlier, and this is sold under their own brand. Also, Kalamata olives are standard on a Greek salad, but I picked up something else. I also have some dry olives. They are cured in olive oil and they are delicious. They just add a little bit more flavor to the salad. So you can mix both, or you can choose whatever you like the best. For all of you families who live in Southern California, near San Diego or Riverside County, you probably already know how convenient and helpful VLADA'S Market is. Being a busy single mom and being a big foodie, I tremendously appreciate VLADA'S food selection and their prices. If you haven't checked them out yet, I would highly suggest you do. You're going to surprise yourself with the wide variety of high quality products. Okay, this was fun, and I love going to this market with my daughter. So we got everything we need, and we are on our way home to make this amazing Greek salad. If you have a little extra time, I'm going to show you how to make a fresh Greek salad dressing. So we're going to start with the 5 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry garlic, 1 teaspoon of raw sugar, and a heaping spoon of raw honey. In addition to very fragrant honey, we're going to add some fresh herbs. So we're going with a bunch of dill and about this much of oregano. Now that we have all this in, let's add some black pepper and a cup of red wine vinegar. We're going to blend this well before we add a cup of olive oil. High quality olive oil is the key, so when adding it, I would suggest to add it gradually as you continue to spin the mixer. We stopped ours because we didn't want to splatter the camera, but again, the best way to incorporate the olive oil is to add it gradually. If you do it right, you should end up with a creamy, fragrant salad dressing. Now that's ready, I'm going to set it in the fridge to chill while I work on fish. Adding a little protein to your salad can turn a salad into a meal. And I'm not going to let this wild salmon skin go to waste. So after cleaning it, just rinse it, dry it a little bit, set it in a dish, and sprinkle it with some salt, black pepper, and handsome portion of olive oil. Top it with the fresh lemon and let it sit. This is a great thing to do a day in advance, so the salmon would be ready for your dinner. Sunday dinner is super important, but it doesn't have to be super complicated. So tonight's dinner will take only about 7 minutes to assemble everything. Salmon will cook very quickly, and for dessert we already have pre-made, or I should say homemade, blueberry pie. So we have our fish prepared, and this is something that you can do day in advance. So when you have a time, just get some salmon, a little black pepper, salt, lemon, and a little olive oil, and let it sit overnight. Here we have an assortment of wonderful vegetables, and so we're just going to pre-cut them, and that takes only minutes, and then we're going to cook salmon, and pretty much we're going to have our dinner ready in 10 minutes. Got some peppers here, and this recipe is good for 4 dinners. Each one of these fresh vegetables will play their role in delivering that intense and unique flavor of Greek salad. Tomatoes, I'm leaving for the end. I'm not going to cut them yet until we are ready to serve. And also I picked up some avocados. I would like to add these to our salad. Traditionally, they're not included or they're not part of a Greek salad, but avocados and salads go really good together. Also, I have a little bit of pecans and some dried figs and some walnuts to add to our salad. These are optional items, and again, they are traditionally are not included in Greek salad. But you can have fun with this and you can dress up your salad to its Sunday's best. Okay, so let's wrap it up. We're just gonna start adding vegetables, and also during this time we'll cook the salmon. So make sure your oil is nice and hot, and skin goes first because I would like to eat the skin, so I'm making sure I have a hot oil. And while salmon is cooking, I am decorating the salads. This is only taking a few minutes, but while you're doing it, take a moment to acknowledge the fact that nature is providing all this beautiful food for us, and that you are blessed to have this meal today in your home and to share it with your family. If I'm gonna have a salmon skin, it better be crunchy. So only 2 minutes on high fire on one side and not even a minute on the other side. Salmon will cook very quickly, so all that's left to do now is to sprinkle some feta cheese and to drizzle it with our homemade Greek salad dressing. And there you have it, a quick and easy and delicious meal in only minutes. Thank you, Barron's Market, for providing our ingredients for today. Those of you living in our area, please check out your neighborhood Barron's Market in Temecula, Murrieta, Wildomar, and Menifee.